Hello students, let us discuss the electron dot structure of ionic compound. Before learning the electron dot structure of ionic compound, we should know the dot structure of atom. To draw the dot structure of atom, number one, first we have to write down the symbol of the atom of that particular element. Number two, we will count the outermost electron and we will give the dot for those number of electrons around the symbol of the atom. Let us take an example, sodium. This is the symbol of sodium. Electronic configuration of sodium is 281. That means it has only one electron in the outermost shell. So what will be the electron dot structure? Write down the symbol of sodium and give one dot for this electron of the outermost shell at any site. 4 sites are there. You can give in any side. I am giving here. Another example, hydrogen. Configuration of hydrogen is K1. This is the only one cell the hydrogen has and it is the outermost cell also. So to write the electron dot structure for hydrogen, we will write down the symbol of hydrogen and give one dot in any side. Suppose I am giving here. Now take the example of chlorine. Chlorine configuration 287. Now, how will you draw the electron dot structure of chlorine? Write down the symbol of chlorine. Now 7 dots we have to give. How will you give this 7 dot? We'll start giving from one side. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are completing the 4 sides. Then again start pairing up from here. 5, 6, 7. So these 3 sides we have paired electron, we call them lone pairs, and this side the single electron is there. This is the single pair of electron. So we draw the dot structure for the single atom in this way. Now let us discuss the electron dot structure for ionic compound. Let me take the example of sodium chloride formation. Sodium chloride molecule is formed by combining sodium and chlorine. Sodium configuration is 281. Its tendency is to donate the electron, to donate one electron and form sodium cation to get the nearest inert gas configuration of neon. Again, chlorine configuration is 287. Its tendency is to get the nearest inert gas configuration of argon. So it will accept the electron. As a result, it will form the anion with configuration 288, which is same configuration like argon. Now, these two ions, sodium cation and chloride anion, combine with each other and form sodium chloride molecule. Now, how do you show this sodium chloride molecule formation with the dot structure? First of all, this is sodium. I am giving the dot structure of sodium first. This is sodium. I am giving a dot for this sodium, outermost electron, plus chlorine. This is the chlorine. Chlorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So we have to give the 7 dot. But this time I am giving the cross for the chlorine instead of dot, so that we will identify cross belongs to chlorine and dot belongs to sodium. Now lone pairs I am giving this side, these 3 sides, and a single electron I have given in this side because I have to show the donation of the electron to this side of chlorine. When the sodium will donate the electron, it becomes cation, and the chlorine will accept the electron, it becomes anion. So we write in this way, sodium dot, this is chlorine. The paired electrons are this side, single electron here, the electron is donating. As a result, chlorine becomes negatively charged and sodium becomes positively charged. So it will form the sodium chloride molecule. So this is also can be said that this is electron transfer method. So it may come in this way also, how do you explain the sodium chloride molecule formation by the electron transfer method. So in this way, we draw the dot structure for the ionic compound. So this is just one example, formation of sodium chloride. Thank you very much.